We have several programs and services for Indigenous young people. They are the Brighter Days program, Brighter Days, an Indigenous wellness program.
This month, Kids Help Phone is highlighting its programs and services for First Nations, Inuit, and Métis people that are developed by Indigenous contributors.
Why did Kids Help Phone find it was important to create something specifically for Indigenous youth?
We have a greater need for mental health supports. We have less access to them.
And the programs reflect what they say are the unique realities of life for Indigenous youth.
And so focus on specific topics, things like anxiety, self-care, child abuse, substance use. And the idea is to build relationships with Indigenous youth.
A second program will focus on engagement, and the outreach will be specific to the needs of each individual community.
Because every community is unique. How the best way to reach young people in one community might be completely different than it is for the next community. So they'll help us kind of navigate those differences and advocate for those communities.
Youth can also request to speak or text directly with an Indigenous crisis responder.
They can just type in the word First Nation or Métis or Inuit, and when it's available, we'll connect them. So it's also the education piece, making sure that our staff, our volunteers have that training to understand the unique needs and what daily life is like for Indigenous people in different circumstances in different communities.
You can find more information about the programs and reach out to Kids Help Phone by going to our website, citynews.ca/extras. Audra Brown, City News.